Hey guys, today in this video, I'll be giving you an in-depth review of FreshBooks. So if you run a small company or a freelance business, you are likely familiar with juggling multiple clients, payment deadlines, invoices, and more. There's always something else to remember. FreshBooks is an accounting software designed for solo business owners, freelancers, and sole proprietors. The software makes it easy to stay organized, keep track of payments owed and expenses made, send invoices, and accept payments. While there are many accounting software options out there, FreshBooks is particularly well suited for smaller businesses and companies with one main owner and operator. FreshBooks is intuitive and easy to use. Affordable prices at a lower tier. Double entry accounting reports feature. Provides easy-to-use accounting software for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small business owners. Not tailored for larger businesses. Extra cost per month to add an additional team member. Fewer customization options than other software. The FreshBooks dashboard is the starting point for the platform. It gives you an overview of the outstanding revenue and total profit of your company. The left sidebar will help you navigate through payments, expenses, and any other functions you need. The simple layout is easy to understand, leaving little space for confusion. FreshBooks includes many capabilities that make it a great accounting and invoicing software for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small business owners. It allows you to easily put an invoice together and accept payment through credit and debit cards, ACH transfers, Stripe, and PayPal. The credit card processing fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for Visa, MasterCard, and Discover, which is standard in the industry. The American Express fee is 3.5% plus 30 cents per transaction. When it comes to features and capabilities, FreshBooks offers the commonly required features that all accounting software does. What sets it apart from the competition isn't any one unique feature, but its simplicity. Accounting can be confusing and overwhelming for business owners who aren't trained accountants. FreshBooks streamlines the dashboard, which makes it easy to toggle between certain functions and reports. FreshBooks is known for its easy-to-use platform. Whether you are navigating from entering expenses to collecting payments, the sidebar is intuitive to use and doesn't get lost in confusing jargon. Additionally, FreshBooks has a user-friendly mobile app that allows you to enter data as you need to while out of the office. This helps you from falling behind on entries when working away from your desk. FreshBooks makes tax filing a breeze. Get a snapshot of your overall revenues so that you can properly report your business income. It categorizes expenses so you can run reports and get totals for your deductions. All this data is at your fingertips so that you can share it with your accountant. The higher tiered plans do offer accountant access, making it even easier for a business owner to share necessary data with their tax preparer and reduce the chance of errors. One of the key expenses a business owner must keep track of is employee hours worked on a project. FreshBooks has specialized time tracking software that integrates into FreshBooks so that your invoicing is quick and easy. It also helps business owners manage projects and clients so that they know how many hours are worked for any given task. Have the reports that you need at your fingertips all the time with FreshBooks. In the Reports tab, you can access popular business accounting reports such as profit and loss, sales tax summary, aging accounts, invoice details, and expense reports. Looking at these reports helps a business owner better understand their company's financial health and is critical in the daily management of the organization. FreshBooks is cloud-based. This means that you can access the platform from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Whether you use the desktop software or the mobile app, you can detail expenses, send invoices, and run reports. The app makes it easy to track mileage and expenses on the go. FreshBooks is reasonably priced in the accounting software realm. It is only $19 per month for the Lite program. And if you're a new user, you'll get a straight of 70% discount. This means that the Lite plan is only $5.7 per month initially. The Plus and Premium plans are $9.9 and $18 per month, respectively, during the same time frame. Additionally, the platform has a free 30-day trial. This is ample time to see if the platform meets your business needs and will perform the functions you desire. With the Lite plan, you're able to send unlimited invoices to up to 5 billable clients. That number jumps to 50 billable clients with the Plus plan, and then an unlimited number for the Premium plan. The Lite plan offers the essentials and is best for people who only have a couple of clients and do not have a business model that focuses on attaining more. Still, you're able to send payments with credit cards and bank transfers and track unlimited expenses, some of the key tools freelancers need. This plan also allows you to easily keep track of payroll through a Gusto payments integration. For an extra cost, the Plus plan offers a more robust selection of features and is better suited for solo business owners who have more than 5 clients. In addition to 50 billable clients, the Plus plan offers double entry accounting reports and the ability to invite your accountant and the ability to set up recurring billing and client retainers. It offers everything that the Lite plan offers, as well as the ability to accept e-signatures on proposals and contracts. The Plus plan will allow you to send an unlimited number of proposals and take client retainers for regular work. You'll be able to utilize the automatic expense receipt capture to simplify the accounting of regular expenses such as meals and travel. The Premium tier allows you to customize email templates and signatures, plus automated client emails with dynamic fields. This tier allows you to track bills, bill payments, and vendors with accounts payable and project profitability. Both the Plus and the Premium plans offer the capability to bill clients on a subscription-based model. The Premium plan allows you to run project profitability reports to better manage your business and the projects you take on. FreshBooks offers several ways to get support. There is a phone support number, email form, and chatbot that can provide service. In addition to these forms of support, users can utilize the vast knowledge base that the company offers. By entering your question in the chat, you'll be directed to articles that often answer the question without the need for further assistance. FreshBooks is a good option for those who don't have a lot of experience in accounting and want an easy-to-use way to manage their business finances. The software allows you to do everything from tracking expenses to sending invoices and collecting payments. It will make tax time easier by providing the required reports that your tax preparer needs to accurately file your taxes. So I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.